Top 7 facts about Hindi on this Hindi day, even Hindi speakers don't know. Number 1. On September 14, 1950, Hindi was declared as one of the official languages of India, as per Article 343 of our Indian Constitution. Fact number 2. Khadi Boli, a Delhi dialect, then got its literature form, which is now called as modern Hindi. Fact number 3. Hindi got its name from Persian word Hind, which denotes Indus Valley civilization. Scholars say this word is derived from Sanskrit. Fact number 4. Hindi is the fourth most spoken language around the world. Fact number 5. Bihar was the first state in India to declare Hindi as official language of the state in 1881 itself. Fact number 6. Article number 351 of our Indian Constitution promotes spread of Hindi throughout India. Fact number 7. Dakshin Bharat Hindi Prachar Sabha. Through this institution, people of southern part of India are learning Hindi. Many Hindi speaking people don't even know about this institution. So try to learn other Indian languages also. Yeah. And there is always a difference between imposition and choice of learning, right?